Welcome to my course, Turn ASP.NET MVC application into single-page application by using my Jquery plugin. Why this course? There are several pain points while working with JavaScript framework like AngularJs, React, VueJs, KnockoutJS in a ASP.NET MVC application in order to create single-page application. You don't need to write much JavaScript code to make single-page application after using my Jquery plugin. I want to show all developers that how easily we can create single-page application using my plugin instead of using JavaScript framework. And developer can also use other JavaScript framework side by side. I hope my creative work will minimize developers' effort. Developer needs previous working experience with building .NET Core or ASP.NET MVC application for this course because I will apply my plugin in a .NET Core project. Although this plugin can be used in all other web applications where Django, Ruby on Rails, Laravel technology applied. I will download a sample .NET MVC web application of below link. Developers who don't have previous working experience with .NET Core will need to learn building this application from the documentation. Let's see the documentation. Student will need to follow this documentation step by step. After that, ready to go. To activate the plugin, modify master page and VueStar.cshtml file. I will show you how easy it is to create a single page application and how single page application can improve the performance both on server and client side. I hope you will enjoy this magic course. I already downloaded the project from this link. Let's run the project. Let's add left navigation bar to this application. Go to layout.cshtml file and comment out the render section. Then add newly modified render section. Let's create navigation.cshtml file. Let's move top navigation bar to the navigation.cshtml file. This is the left navigation bar. Let's add a CSS file for this sidebar and place it at the end of the head tag. Save all changes and run it. If I click any link of the application, you can see that the whole browser is refreshing. Let's turn this application into single page application. Let's add my Jquery plugin and all necessary files. And place it at the end of the body tag. Let's call the function of this plugin. Now I will modify VueStar.cshtml file. Here, if AJAX request, then view result will not be cached on the browser. If not AJAX request, then master page will be rendered. Let's run the project. Now, if I click any link of the application, you can see that only the render body section is updating. Let's check backward and forward button. Let's submit create student form. Here, JavaScript validation on client side is not working. Let's fix this. In a single page application, this render section scripts will not work. It will work only full page refreshing. Let's remove render section scripts and keep these validation scripts as it is. Now, client-side validation is working. Let's apply same thing in all other pages. Save all changes. Let's submit create course form. Let's edit the course as well. Go to instructor page. This is the instructor table. If I click select link, we can see both instructor and course table. Here we want to get only course table, not to get instructor table, as it's already present in the page. Let's achieve this. First of all, create toAction method. Let's move course table query to underscore index1 method and student table query to underscore index2 method. Let's create underscore index1.css.html and underscore index2.css.html file. Let's move course table to underscore index1.css.html file. And move student table to underscore index2.css.html file. This is the documentation of my plugin. Let's apply first option. Let's write div tag with specific ID selector and AJAX target attribute inside select link and put the ID here. Let's write div tag with specific ID selector and AJAX target attribute inside select link and put the ID here. Let's see the demo. Now, if I click select link, then only course table is updating. In this way, we can reduce load pressure and load time on both server and client side. Go to student page. If I click any link of this page, I want to show the content at the end of this page. Let's achieve this. Let's write div tag with specific ID selector and specify Ajax target attribute inside all link and put the ID selector. Let's see the demo. If I click any link, the content is showing below. Let's add a student. Let's edit a student. Let's add Modal link button to the right corner to show courses. Let's add Bootstrap model in layout.cshtml file. Let's create action method to show rest of the courses. Let's create view for this action method. Let's see the demo. If I click the model button, we can see rest of the courses. If I click add button, I want the course to be added to the table. Let's achieve this. Let's create underscore details.cshtml file and copy body content from details.cshtml file. Let's add JavaScript function and add eval attribute inside add button. Let's implement action method for this add button. Done. If I click add, then the course will be added to the following table. If I click create new link, I want to show the form below the table. Let's achieve this. Let's create underscore create action method and let's create a view for this method. This is the create course form fields. Let's write form tag for underscore create action method and place a table body with specific ID inside form tag. Here, form fields will be placed. Let's specify Ajax target attribute. Let's create a JavaScript function. Let's specify eval attribute inside create new link and put the function here. Let's see the demo. If I click create new link, the form will be showed below. If I click X button, I want the row to be deleted. Let's implement it. Let's write jQuery code to implement X button. Now, if I click X button, the row will be deleted. Go to department page. If I click any link of this page, I want to show its content inside Modal window. Let's achieve this. Let's replace all link with Modal link button. Let's specify data target and Ajax target attribute inside each link. Here, global modal from layout.cshtml file will be invoked. Let's place everything inside modal body. Done. Now, if I click any link of this page, the content will be showed inside modal window. Let's see everything in one page. Let's create a controller and a view. Go to index view. Let's create student and course. Let's write navigation tab panel for student and course and jQuery code to hide and show the navigation panel. Let's see the demo. Let's specify action link and Ajax target. Let's see the demo again. Let's write two div tags and instructor and department button. Let's specify Ajax target attribute. Let's see the demo. Let's see the final demo. Go to students page. Let's add a student. Row added. Let's update this row. Row updated. Let's delete this row. Row deleted. Now click Details link. This table shows all courses of the student. Let's add course to this student. Let's remove course. Go to course page. Let's add multiple courses and update multiple rows as well. Let's delete courses. Go to instructor page and play with the select link button. Go to department page. Let's add a department. Let's update the record as well. Let's delete it. Let's see everything in one page. Click Students and Course button. Click Instructor button. Now Department. Let's add a student. Row added. Let's update this row. Row updated. Let's delete this row. Row deleted. Now click Details link. Let's add course to this student. Let's remove course. Go to course page. Let's add multiple courses and update multiple rows as well. Let's delete courses. Play with the select link button. Go to department page. Let's add a department. Let's update the record as well. Let's delete it.